Welcome to Sig Storage. We're very excited to bring out our new SMS short message service. In order to get SMS from your regular internet browser, you're going to have to go to twilio.com. That's www.twilio.com. That'll bring you to Twilio and register for an account. It's a basic registration. You input your name, contact information. Next, you'll need your phone number, and it will start you with a trial account. Once you've registered for your account, you'll come to a dashboard. Please click on All Products and Services, and then Phone Numbers next. Next, Get Started. Now, from here you have two options. You can get your first Twilio phone number, or you can upgrade your account. If you click on the Get Your First Twilio phone number, it will be a temporary number, and you'll have to upgrade in the future. So we recommend that you upgrade your account immediately. Once you upgrade your account, you can select a local area code and phone number, and it costs you all of $1 per month, so you don't look like spam to your customers. Once you have your number selected, you can come back to the dashboard, and then the two things we'll need to set up your account are the account SID and the authorization token. Now, come back into your dashboard, go to Account Settings, and then select SMS Setup. In here, cut and paste your account SID, and then go back to Twilio, view your authorization token, copy it, and then paste it into the spot. The last piece you'll need is the phone number, including the country code. For the US, it's going to be 1. And if you like, you can enable an auto response for an incoming message. Now this will count towards the Twilio charge. If you don't want to enable the auto response, it is not necessary. Click Save and continue.